Knew that was gonna happen. We'll see what we are and aren't getting. Got ground at the engine. So are we getting power there when we are turning the key is the question. No. Okay. Alrighty, so we got this panel off of here. Everything looks pretty normal, besides some crud, because this machine was definitely left out in the rain. Did bypass all the safety switches, the brake switch, and the seat switch. And I did find this, which I'm assuming there's a fuse or a relay that's supposed to go into this, but I gotta look at the diagram and see. And when we jump this, although everything's like super corroded, because we decided to disconnect it and put a jumper in it and let the rain and grass and dirt and water get in the connector. So now, of course, it's obviously gonna work when it's corroded. They're showing yellow, so I'm assuming it's a 20 amp yellow fuse. All right, so I don't wanna just tie this together because in case something else is wrong, then we're gonna potentially ruin other components. So I'm gonna put a new fuse block in here. This one crimped on. All right, let's see if this wants to work. So I'm pretty sure that starter's bad, or at least the solenoid on it. Just as I expected, mice were in here. Okay, so engine moves. The starter is missing a bolt, which that means it's probably broken inside of it.
I don't know what's wrong with it. It just stopped working. We touched it and made it worse.
Whatever. This is cross-threaded tight. Knew that was gonna happen. Sick. So now we can't mount a starter. Oh, I guess it wouldn't be the first time I tested that stuff. So the solenoid's no good. Well, the starter's working, but it's not engaged. Try and run it with the solenoid hooked up, which we already knew we had 12 volts here earlier, so it's kind of just a waste of time. Working barely. Dynavim parts. That's not a Kohler part. So I'm gonna actually try and extract the second one before I see if I need to drill it.